The system.BadImageFormatException is a common error in Terraria, particularly on Windows, indicating a problem with how the game interacts with your system's .NET framework. In simple terms, it means Terraria is trying to use a game file that's either corrupted or incompatible with your computer's setup. This is a .NET runtime exception that happens when the game encounters an invalid or incompatible assembly. The error stems from mismatches between the game's files and your system's .NET setup. Let's explore how to fix it. The first and most effective solution is to verify the integrity of your Terraria game files through Steam. This process checks for and replaces any damaged or missing files that might be causing the system BadImageFormatException error. To begin, open your Steam library and right-click on Terraria in your game list. From the context menu that appears, select the Properties option. In the Properties window, navigate to the Local Files tab. On the Local Files tab, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Steam will scan your Terraria installation and repair any corrupted or missing files. Steam will now verify your game files, which may take a few minutes depending on your system and internet connection. Once verification is complete, Steam will have repaired any damaged or missing files. You can now launch Terraria and the error should be resolved. According to recent reports, this simple step fixes about 70% of bad image format exception cases, making it an excellent first troubleshooting approach. The bad image format exception in Terraria often stems from architecture mismatches between 32-bit and 64-bit systems. Terraria is designed for 64-bit Windows, which can handle larger amounts of memory and data more efficiently than 32-bit systems. To ensure your system is 64-bit, check your Windows system information in Settings. Almost all modern computers are 64-bit, but it's important to verify this setting. The error relates to .NET's just-in-time compilation, where code is converted to native instructions at runtime. Terraria uses .NET Framework, and architecture mismatches occur when 32-bit .NET tries to run 64-bit assemblies. Ensure your .NET installation matches your system's architecture. If you have a 64-bit Windows but 32-bit .NET, reinstall .NET Framework to resolve the conflict and allow Terraria to run properly. Terraria relies on the Microsoft .NET Framework to run properly. This framework provides the necessary runtime environment for the game's code execution. Specifically, Terraria requires .NET Framework version 4.5 or higher. If you're encountering the bad image format exception, it could be due to corrupted or incompatible .NET Framework files. A reinstall can resolve issues with file corruption or architecture mismatches. Make sure to download from Microsoft's official website to get the correct and secure version. To reinstall, start by visiting Microsoft's official .NET Framework download page. Search for the latest version compatible with your system. Download the installer for the appropriate .NET Framework version. Choose the one that matches your Windows architecture. Once downloaded, run the installer as an administrator and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation completes, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Finally, launch Terraria to verify that the bad image format exception error has been resolved. Remember, maintaining the correct .NET Framework version with a clean install is crucial for Terraria's stability and performance. Terraria's bad image format exception often stems from missing or outdated system components. The game requires specific versions of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX to function properly. Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables provide essential runtime libraries that Terraria uses. The game specifically needs versions from 2015 through 2022. These components handle memory management and other core functions. Visit the Microsoft Download Center to get the latest Visual C++ redistributables. Choose the appropriate version for your system architecture. After downloading, run the installer and follow the prompts. A successful installation ensures Terraria can access the necessary libraries. DirectX is another critical component. It handles graphics rendering and multimedia functions in Terraria. The end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft will update your DirectX to the latest version. The DirectX web installer is available on the same Microsoft Download Center. Select the appropriate language and download the installer. By ensuring both Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX are up to date, you provide Terraria with the necessary environment to run without assembly binding errors. To access compatibility settings, first locate your Terraria installation folder. Right-click on the terraria.exe file and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. This tab contains settings that can help run older programs on newer Windows versions. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. This setting tells Windows to emulate an older version's environment, which can resolve the bad image format exception. In the same Compatibility tab, check the box for Run this program as an administrator. This gives Terraria elevated privileges, bypassing user account control restrictions that might be causing the error. After making these changes, click Apply and then OK to save the settings. Launch Terraria to see if the system.BadImageFormatException is resolved. Antivirus software can sometimes mistakenly flag Terraria's DLL files as threats and quarantine them, causing the system.BadImageFormatException error. First, check your antivirus software for any quarantined Terraria files. Popular antivirus programs include Avast, Bitdefender, and others. If you find Terraria files in quarantine, restore them to their original location. Finally, add Terraria's installation folder to your antivirus's whitelist or exclusions list to prevent future interference. Looking ahead, Relogic recognizes the system bad image format exception as a significant issue affecting player experience. The developers are committed to improving game stability through future updates, with plans to potentially transition to more modern .NET versions like .NET 6 or later. This shift would address many architecture-related errors and provide better cross-platform compatibility. In the meantime, the Terraria community has developed helpful solutions. Custom fix scripts available on GitHub repositories can assist with resolving persistent issues. Always consult the official Terraria forums and the r/Terraria subreddit on Reddit for the most current advice from other players. Additionally, maintaining an up-to-date system helps prevent .NET-related limitations and ensures smoother gameplay.